Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. It's Random Terry here, coming to you from my dining room and a little bit froggy. I'm going to move you just a little bit. And it might not be level. And I have the ring light on now because it was a little overcast today and I was feeling crappy. And finally this evening I kind of felt a little bit better, so I thought I'd record this for you. See? So I had to turn the ring light on for light. And I'll try not to look like that. Maybe if I just look like that, it'd be better. Not so much glare on the glasses. So, sorry if I start coughing or clearing my throat because, yeah. All right, let's get into this and let me see where I am. Okay, first things I'm going to show you some Christmas things for my Christmas basket exchange that we have. Let me start with the bin itself, which I think is awfully cute. I think they call it a Clove storage bin, and it's $6.48. Isn't that attractive? Let's open it up and I'll show you what it really looks like. Shoo, dog, shoo. Okay, boot, dog, boot. Reboot. Crinkly paper. Okay, so this is a bin. It comes pretty well flat. Oh, this is going to be a good size, I think. Doesn't have to be too big. Nice. All right. There is the bin. It's got the little ribbon across the front. And the little felt Merry Christmas. On the front. And I think that's just perfect to use as a gift basket. I did not put the measurements on this. Or get the measurements on this. But I will be posting in the description box below a link to all of these items as much as I can. Sometimes they sell out. Okay, so there's that bin, and I thought that was cool because it's kind of like it's a sturdy fabric. It's not like some of those other ones. It's like almost like a canvas. I don't know if you can see that or not. Cute, very cute. $6.48. That was what that was. I gotta get my pen off here. If I have spinach in my teeth, it's because I had a spinach frozen pizza from Walmart. The husband's not home. He's back to work. He wouldn't like that kind of pizza, so I got one for myself. Pretty good too. Walmart brand. Spinach Alfredo pizza, I think is what it was called. Yeah. And I can feel the garlic because they had like a good amount of dispersed pieces of fresh garlic on there, or frozen fresh, because it was a frozen pizza. So, sorry, should have brought a thing of water over here. I didn't. Okay, but it's good, and I feel the garlic burn in my throat, and I might have spinach in my teeth. So if you see it, just ignore it and move right along. Move right along. Say that again. Move right along. There we go. Next thing I have here is a drying mat, which I thought was really pretty. $4.49 for this. And I will slide this out of the bag. And it's not a crinkly bag. It's like a soft plastic bag. See, not so bad. Can I get this without this being stuck to it or anything? Yeah, no, yeah, no. Yeah. Yep, okay. Whee. So it's a drying mat. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I think that's pretty. And it's got a little hang tag on it, I guess, if you hang it up. And there's the back. It's cushy. Sorry if I didn't show you the back long enough, but kind of like that netting with the cush in it. And I thought for Christmas that'd be pretty. It's even pretty if you put it like under Heck, you could use it as a placemat, but I don't think I would because, what, at $4.49? Well, kind of a spendy placemat, I guess, especially when you're used to getting them at Dollar Tree. Used to getting them at Dollar Tree, it's, yeah, spending more money for placemats and stuff, you kind of like get a little sticker shock. You there still? Okay. And hopefully you guys can hear me. I know I sound kind of low on my own. Hair on it already. My hair. So there is that, which I just thought was cute. My goodness. Yes, I'm trying to put it back in the bag, just so I don't get more hair on it. Especially doggo hair. I don't want to give somebody something to put their plates on with dog hair on it. It's not the way I like to roll. This light is kind of unnerving. You know what? If I put it in the bin over there, I can do that later. At least I keep it in the bin, it won't be too bad. All right. And the next thing I got are napkins. They're just so cute. They're napkins. They were $1.49 for 20, I believe. How they say things over there, they call this, you know, from China and stuff, they call that an elk. Because it says it right there. Elk. Elk, elk. I call it a reindeer. So I just thought those were pretty. They are a little bit off-white, so they kind of got that vintage look to it. And I thought that'd be cute to go in a basket for people that, you know, during the season, you can use napkins that are Christmas. Why not? All season long. Not just for parties. Okay. My next thing. We're moving pretty fast here. I am. I really am. You have a couple spatulas. And yes, they're Christmas spatulas. What the heck is this wrapped? Oh. Okay, this is taped up on the bottom. And the other one is, this is soft plastic. The other one's crinkly plastic. Okay. Either way, they're going to come out of here anyway. So, this guy is a gingerbread man. Yep, and it's got the wood handle. Nice, and I thought he was cute. And he actually is the cheaper of the two. This was $1.99. Not the gumdrop buttons. Okay, you never know what comes up in my mind. Yeah, Shrek came up in my mind there. Okay, first, so he was $1.99, and then we have, okay, I thought something was wrong with his eyes. It's smaller. A snowman spatula, and this was $3.49, and it's just as cute, just as wood handle, same size, same length. It really is the same length. There. So, the G-Man was cheaper than the S-Man. So, and it's probably popularity, I guess. I don't know. Snowman, probably more popular. I don't know. I like the gingerbread man. Yes, I do. So, I thought they would be fun. Ooh, well. You see that? Kind of rippity-doo-dah. Okay, I am going to get my money back on that one. Okay, so I guess my G-Man's going in the basket. Okay. Okay, now that's it for the basket goodies. Until I get more shipments in and stuff. I'll leave this little guy over here. And then I'm coming up on the things that I have in the thumbnail. Now, as you may know, you really need to read and read the pictures and look at what you're buying, because I thought I was buying some ornaments, right? Some little felted ornaments, and I thought, felted ornaments, I understand they'd be a little bit more, cost a little more. But when it came, I was like, they are kits to make the ornaments. And I've never felted before, but I have a friend who does. And I messaged her. I said, how hard is it? She goes, it's easy. She goes, look on YouTube for videos to show you how to do it. But it has the little, like, chenille stems for making legs and arms and such. It's got all the wool to felt with, and it also has, like, I think a little string. And possibly a tiny little glue stick. I'm not sure. As well as the block. And inside the block, you've got three needles to felt with. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. I'm glad you're not in the same room with me. I wouldn't be spreading my germs. I just want to get this needle back in here so I don't lose it. So, and I thought, oh good, okay, I'll find a YouTube video and I'm pausing a minute. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I had to take a cough break. So, talking too much. My throat's getting sore. It is sore, but. So inside you have the little paper. It tells you, I believe, what you should have in here. It kind of gives you basic kind of directions how to do it, 90-degree angle, blah, blah, blah. But it doesn't give you the whole information, right? It gives you the 1-to-1 ratio picture of this, but you see that below? I went to that QR site. Woo, sneeze. And the sneeze never happened, but the more I talk, the more tickle I get. So anyway, it's a 1-to-1 ratio picture, and that QR code site, I went to it, and it gives you 41 minutes long exactly how to make this specific one, and it just goes through it. There's no talking in it. It just shows you how to do it. So I thought that was cute, because that was a little fairy, and that was her little oh, and these cost excuse me. Okay, I guess I call this a dream catcher fairy. This one was $5.98, and the flower fairy was $6.98. And with that, I wind up my video. Please, if you like this kind of thing, I'll probably be better when I do another one. Please subscribe if you're new here and you haven't subscribed. It helps me. If you're returning, thank you very much. I found a piece of spinach. And with that, I'm going to say goodbye before I start coughing again.